everybody, let's talk about the Valjean Labs Hydrate Facial Mist with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Valjean Labs has got to be one of my favorite skincare brands. I invest highly in this brand and I have their entire collection, if not all of it already. And in the back, apart from the directions, you can actually see what it does. So this facial mist, the facial mist by this brand, soothe, refresh, and hydrate the skin. This specific one has hyaluronic acid, which will plump your skin, and vitamin B, which brings back that elasticity. Okay, so all you gotta do is apply it. You can do it after cleansing, before moisturizing, or throughout the day over your makeup to give that hydration even when you're busy, being out there looking good. I'm gonna actually twist this to the side so you guys can see me spray on the back of my hand, and that's what it looks like. I tend to just rub it in so I can let it sink into my pores, but oh my god, it's amazing. It smells amazing, feels amazing, and I promise that you guys are gonna love this product, and I hope you love it as much as I do, because truly Valjean Labs is my favorite skincare brand.